In the last class, 11th question, I asked you to simplify. Whether you simplified it or not, I don't know. So I will simplify it for you. So this is 10.2 exercise, students. 10.2, almost over, it is over. But last problem, 11th one, did you simplify it or not? That let us check. 11th problem. Already it is, yesterday I solved. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 1760. Curved surface area is equal to 1760. This is given. Curved surface area is equal to 1760. What is the formula for curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi RH, 1760. Curved surface area formula 2 pi RH is equal to 1760. This is one equation. This is one equation. Next. Volume is equal to 12,320. Volume is equal to 12,320. What is the volume formula? Pi r square h, volume of cylinder formula. This is the second equation. Curved surface area 2 pi RH 1760. Volume is equal to, volume formula is pi r square h equal to 12,320 centimeters cube. Now what I am doing? Divide one equation by other equation, but before that, see, we can simplify in so many ways. See, easy method is, if this is r square, so let us get r square here. See here, dividing 2 pi RH, I am squaring the first equation. 2 pi RH whole square is equal to 1760 whole square. I am squaring the first equation. Squaring the first equation. Take 2 pi RH whole square is equal to 1760 whole square. Divide this square by the second equation. What is the second equation? Pi r square h. Second equation is 12,320. That's all. We will get h value. Squaring on both sides. But I am not writing the extra step. Directly I took. Squaring on both sides. Divide this by the first equation, second equation, pi r square h equal to 12,320. Dividing the first equation by second equation, but not as it is. I am squaring the first equation on both sides. Squaring on both sides by this. Over. See, students. 2 square. 4. Pi square. R square, H square, 2 square is 4, pi square, R square, H square by pi R square H. What is the right side? 1760 whole square is 1760 into 1760 by 12,320 same. See here. Take the first equation, but squaring the first equation both sides. You can write one more step or directly you can take squaring both sides by the second equation. This by this, but not as it is. Putting the square on both sides. Only for this one, not for this. Why I am squaring? Because directly I will get h value. See, 4, 1 pi cancel, pi square 1 pi cancel, pi r square cancel, h square by h 1 h cancel, only 1 h remains. We will get h value. See, there are two unknown values r and h. If you remove r, then it will be in h, that we will get. H is asked to know, find the height. That's why I did a square, so that we will get r square and that r square get cancelled. Otherwise, it will become lengthy process. So if you remember this, so that r square, why I did like this, I have to get r square, so that I should cancel this r square, r square. If you remove r square, only h is there, that next step you will get h value. 2 square is 4, pi square, r square, h square by pi r square h. So pi cancel, 1 pi 4 remains, 1 pi cancel, another pi remains, r square cancel. This h square is h into h, 1 h cancel, h is equal to, right side you have to simplify. 1760 into 1760 by 12,320, 0 cancel. Cancellation, simplification. 8 table, 8 ones are 8, 43, 8 table, 8 twos are 16, 8 twos are 16. I will cancel this. 8 twos are 16, 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 43, 8 fives are 8 fours are 11 twos are 11 ones are 11 fours are 2 sevens are 7 14s 26. Okay, leave it there. 4 into pi is 22 by 7 into h is equal to, what is the remaining? 1760 remains, all get cancelled, by 7 remains. So h is equal to 1760 by 7 into 7 will go up. 7 will go up. 7 in the denominator, no, it will go up. 4 and 22 will be the denominator. Seven cancel. Students, 4 pi means 22 by 7 into h. We want h value, no? Take 7 that side, it will be multiplication, it will go up. 4 and 22 will go down. Seven cancel. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 0. 22 twos are 44. Finally it is 20. See the answer. You check it, students. centimeters answer. Seven cancel. 4 for 4 40 times. 22 20 times. 20. I simplified. Cancellation. This concept, if you remember, it becomes easy, otherwise it will be lengthy. So if you square this, squaring and then dividing with this, directly r cancel, only h is there, only one variable means that we will get it. You can do this. If you don't understand this, you can write this simplification after this step, and finally answer is 20. Students, this exercise is over. That means cylinder problems are over. Cylinder is over. But in this, in this fourth problem, in the new textbook, there is actually this is the old textbook. So the number, there is a small difference in units. Problem is same, but in units there is a small difference. Once again, I will explain the fourth problem as per the new textbook. Because this is old textbook, so somebody is told in new textbook there is a small change in the units. Numbers are same, only units are different. See here, fourth problem I will explain. There is a overhead water tanker in the shape of a cylinder, has a capacity of 6. The diameter of the tank, diameter is equal to 5.6 meters. Students, diameter is given, radius will be half of this, 5.6 by 2, that is 2.8 meters. Diameter is 5.6, radius will be half of the diameter, 5.6 by 2, that is 2.8. So capacity means volume, capacity means volume, so volume is equal to V is equal to how much? In the old book it is 616 liters is written. I took the same and I solved it. But in the new textbook it is given as 61.6 cubic meters. In the new old textbook 616 liters, I solved it actually. That is correct procedure. But those who are following the new textbook, then they may have confusion. So 61.6 cubic meters. This is the new, the units are different. 616 liters is given in the old book. New book it is 61.6 cubic meters. Procedure is same. Answer also just a point difference, a decimal difference, remaining is same. What is the volume of cylinder formula? Pi r square h is equal to 61.6. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h 61.6. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 2.8 into h is equal to 61.6. We require h value. The question is, find the height. H is asked. So h is equal to, take all the terms to the right side. Students, already we did it. But in the new textbook, it is not 616 liters, 61.6 cubic meters. Now, volume, capacity means volume. Diameter is given 5.6 divided by 2, 2.8 is the radius. Capacity means volume. Volume is how much? 61.6. What is volume formula? Pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 2.8 whole square into h. H is equal to 61.6 into 7 will go up. 7 is in the denominator, no, it will go into the numerator. 22 will be in the denominator. 2.8 whole square is in the denominator. 2.8 whole square is 2.8 into 2.8. 2 times. Square means 2 times. I wrote in the name. Now simplification. Simplification. Students, if you have any confusion with the decimal, remove all the decimals first. Remove all the decimals. See here. Removing the decimals, 616 into 7 by 22 into 28 into 28. How to remove the decimals? If you remove the decimal, after decimal 1 digit, no? So 10 we will get in the denominator. After decimal 1 digit, so 10. Here I am removing the decimal. So after decimal 1 digit, no? So here numerator means we will get in the denominator. Denominator means we will get in the numerator. So 10 in the numerator. Here also removing the decimal, one more 10 in the numerator. That's all. I am removing the decimals to avoid the confusion. Generally, we remove the decimal, we do the simplification. After that, last in the end, we will keep the decimal again. So removing the decimal, we will get 10 because after decimal 1 digit means 1 0. Here also after decimal 1 digit 1 0. After decimal 1 digit 1 0. Now 10 10. Seven one the 7 fours are. 7 1 the 7 fours are. 11 twos are. 11 fives are 55. 11 six are 66. 28 twos are 56. 2 cancel. 10 by 4. 10 by 4. Nothing but 2 twos are cancelled. That is 5 by 2. 2 twos are cancelled. 5 by 2 finally. 2 twos are 2 fives are. So what is 5 by 2? 5 by 2 is 2.5 meters. This is the answer. But in the old book it was 616 liters. In that case we got 0.025, some decimal change. So, but in the textbook this answer is given. So therefore, change the question. If you are following the old textbook, then change the question as 61.6 cubic meters. Change this value. So if you are following old book, then new book means no problem. This dimension is only given. So this is the simplification. Diameter is given, volume is given. Volume formula pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 2.8 whole square into h. H is equal to 61.6 into 7 by 22 by 2.8 into 2.8. Simplification answer finally 2.5. Final answer is 2.5 meters. Students, these cylinder problems are over, this exercise is over, and any doubts in this exercise you can ask, so that after clarifying your doubts we move on to the next topic. Any doubts in this exercise? Any doubts in this 10.2 exercise? Even in 10.1 also, any doubts in this first 10.1 and 10.2 exercise? Because this is a difficult chapter and problems are very difficult, simplification is difficult, conversion of units also difficult, converting meter cube into liters, liters into meter cube, centimeter cube into meter cube, centimeter square into meter square, like that, lot of confusion. So difficult chapter. Any doubts in this 10.2 or 10.1 you can ask. Okay, nobody is asking the doubts. Okay, then okay, students, just an information. As I told, this year, of course, as per the government previous circular, so many chapters are deleted. Almost all in our textbook, third chapter is deleted, fourth and this is 11, 12, 13, 14. 14th chapter is completely deleted, third chapter is completely deleted, third and 14th completely deleted. And in this 11, 12, most of the part is deleted. And in this 10th chapter also, we have only 2 exercises, remaining topics are deleted. So almost all, we completed almost all syllabus, only 1 or 2 chapters left. So in this chapter, for this academic year, this remaining 2 exercises are deleted. That means cone problems and sphere problems are deleted. And even you won't get these problems in higher class also. But just to have some idea, so instead of completely deleting this chapter, I will solve few problems. It may not be in the exam, it may not come in this exam, but you should know. You should know what is cone, and you should know what is a formula. You should know what is a sphere. Just I will give formulas and few problems I will solve, not all. So you please, even if it is not there in the syllabus, don't feel bad, and you just listen to the class. So next we are moving on to the next figure, cone. We completed cuboid, we completed cube, just now we completed cylinder. Now we are going to the cone. Actually for this academic year, it is not there in the syllabus, but you should know, just you should have some idea. Okay, cone. Cone means already you know the shape, ice cream cup, ice cream cone. So cone shape, ice cream cone, we use it, no? So cone like. So it will be, if from one side it will look like a triangle. Base will be in the form of a circle, like this, cone. Ice cream cup, ice cream cone ice cream, no? So you take, this is the cone. It will look like a triangle. So this is the shape of the cone. Base will be round shape. Base will be round shape. It will be circle. And if you see from one side, it look like a triangle. See, cone will be like this. Cone. This is the approximately, that is, this is a cone. So it look like a triangle from one side, but it is a 3D figure. Total, if you see from this side or this side, all sides will be same, and the base will be a circle shape. Base will be round shape. So this is the cone. In this, base is a circle, no? So base is a circle, it will have some radius. Base will have some radius of the base. And this vertical distance, if you draw straight like this on the base, so this is called height of the cone. Height, straight height. Straight. Height means always it will be straight. We don't measure the height like this. We don't measure the height cross. Height means we measure straight, making 90 degrees with the base. So this is the height. This is the height of the cone. Base is a radius, so its radius, say radius be R. Height is H, and this cross length. This is cross length, no? This cross length like this. This cross length is called slant height. slant height denoted by L. L is the slant height, this is the height, this is the slant height, this is the radius. So these are the three values for the cone. So for the cone also, see here, if you see this total portion, from this total round portion, if you see the round portion, this is called curved surface. This is called curved surface because it is curved, no? So this is called curved surface. This is the total curved surface. So this area is called curved surface area. If you add the bottom area sometimes it will be added, sometimes it is not added. If this is added to the curved surface, then it is called total surface. Total surface means curved surface plus base area. Area of the curved surface plus base, that is called total surface. And of course third formula is volume. So we have three values. Write down cone. Base of a cone, base of the cone is circular. For the ice cream cone shape, cone ice cream, so if you see one from base, it is a circle. So radius of base is equal to R. Height is equal to H. This is called slant height. Slant means cross. Slant height is equal to L. Slant height is L. And L is equal to Pythagoras theorem. There is a Pythagoras theorem. L is equal to L square is equal to R square plus H square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. You will study in the geometry, but just remember the formula. L is equal to root of R square plus H square. Remember this formula. L is equal to R square plus H square. First formula. Second formula is curved surface area formula, pi into R into L. So remember this formula, curved surface area of the cone, curved surface area. If you add the base, it is called total surface area. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of base. Base is a circle. Circle area is pi r square. I will write that word also. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of base. That is pi RL plus area of base is circle pi r square. Even if you take pi r common, R plus L. Remember this formula for total surface area. Curved surface area formula pi RL. Total surface area formula pi RL plus pi r square. Or if you take pi r common, pi r into R plus L. You can remember like this or like this. Both are same. This is the total surface area. Next, fourth formula, volume. Volume of cone. Volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Write down this. Write down these three formulas. Actually, this is only a relation. This is not a formula. Or if you take it as a formula, there will be four formulas. L is equal to root of r square plus h square, one formula. Curved surface area formula is pi r L. Total surface area is pi r into r plus L. So volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So before that, actually volume can be obtained by area of base into height. This is actually formula. Base is a circle. So circle area is pi r square into height is h. So then volume becomes like this. Actual volume relation is area of base into height. So area of base is pi r square into h. So that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Directly write the formula. That is enough. these are the formulas for cone. Now you can complete any problem, you can solve any problem in cone topic. We have one exercise, that is 10.3. So even though it is not for this academic year syllabus, let us solve few problems just for your practice. Curved surface area pi RL, total surface area pi R into R plus L, volume is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Remember these formulas. All the four formulas I wrote there, so just have a look. This is the shape of the cone. This is called radius of the base. This is called, well, straight one is called height. Cross one is called slant height. Slant height. You can write. Students, so 10.3, few problems I am not solving all, few problems just for practice, because this cone will not be repeated in your higher classes. So cone means you don't know anything in your future when you go to any higher studies anywhere. So if you don't study cone, that will be your lagging. So few problems I will complete. See here. First one. Base area of the cone is equal to 38.5. First problem I am solving. Base area is equal to 38.5 given. Base area is equal to 38.5. Cone. This is cone. Base is a circle, no? Base is a circle. What is the base area? Base area is pi R square. Circle area. This is not related to cone. Base is a circle. I have given the notes also. Circle means what is the area of circle? Area of circle formula pi R square. This is the first equation. Leave it. Area of circle formula pi R square. But how much is given? 38.5. First equation. Next. Volume is 77. Given. What is the volume of the cone formula? Just see the volume of cone formula. 1 by 3 pi R square H. Second equation. Volume formula 1 by 3 pi R square H. Now the question is, find a H value. That is the question. Find H. Simply do this operation. Divide the second equation by first equation. Second equation you write in the numerator. By first equation you write in the denominator. That's all. What is the second equation value? 77. By first equation value 38.5. Divide the second equation by first equation. Pi cancel. R square cancel. 1 by 3 H. This is, you put the decimal here. So 38.5 2 times is, you simplify it. It will be 2. 3 that side, 3 into 2, 6. H is equal to 6. Students, you know how to simplify this. This will be 2 finally. So how? I will explain. 77 by 385. How to remove the decimal? To remove the decimal, we have to write 10 in the numerator. Remove after decimal 1 digit. So put 0 in the numerator. Now 5 table. 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 7s are 35. 35 5 7s are 35. 77 21 cancel 2. 5 2s are 5 7s are 5 7s are 77 77 cancel 2 answer. So 3 that side 2 into 3 6. What are the units? Units you check. If it is in meters, you write meters. Centimeters, centimeters, like that. Centimeters. Because these given values are in centimeters, so the answer will be also in centimeters. Students, practice up to here and just learn the cone formulas. Again, do the revision of the 10.1 exercise, 10.2, and remember all the formulas. Then 10.3 formulas you remember. Any doubt? Tomorrow also you can ask the doubts, because this